Are you deciding between Lovable, Bolt, and Cursor for your next software project? Each of these AI enhanced platforms offers a unique approach to building applications, depending on your skill level, goals, and how much control you want over the code. So, in this breakdown, we'll explore what sets each one apart, who they're best suited for, and where their strengths and weaknesses lie, so you can choose the right fit. Lovable is designed to empower users with little to no coding experience. Think designers, founders, or anyone with an idea who wants to get a working prototype quickly. By simply describing what's needed in everyday language, the platform generates an interactive front end or even a basic app interface using AI. It's ideal for quick brainstorming, UI exploration, and sharing early designs with teammates or stakeholders. However, Lovable simplicity comes with trade offs. You don't get deep access to codebase, and it's not intended for handling complex backend systems or detailed logic. It's a perfect starting point if the focus is on visualizing ideas without needing to dive into programming. Next is Bolt, which sits in the middle ground between no code convenience and full development freedom. Bolt caters to users with some technical knowledge, like early stage developers, product managers, or startup teams who want to build functional apps quickly without the hassle of setting up environments or managing boilerplate code. A standard feature is the diff system, allowing incremental code changes in a visual format. You can review, tweak, and directly edit the generated code, which makes it highly adaptable for mid complexity projects. Bolt is perfect if you want to add features like authentication, APIs, or other integrations without starting from zero. It provides more flexibility than Lovable but still automates enough to keep things moving fast. That said, it does abstract some complexity, so it's not quite as granular as traditional development tools. Cursor is crafted specifically for seasoned developers who want deep control over their code with AI driven assistance. It functions like a modern code editor, think of VS Code, but enhanced with intelligent suggestions, debugging help, and natural language interaction. Cursor scans your entire codebase to assist with refactoring, troubleshooting, and even explaining complex logic in real time. With features like Git integration, terminal access, and extension support, it's tailored for developers who want speed without sacrificing precision. Cursor doesn't aim to simplify the development process through abstraction, it aims to amplify productivity without giving up control. It's not a code or low code tool, it's a professional grade IDE powered by AI. So here's how they compare. Lovable is best for non-technical users who need to prototype quickly with minimal input. It is great for ideation, not suitable for deep development work. Bolt is ideal for those who want to move fast with light coding, build full stack apps, and still retain some customization without full complexity. Cursor is a go-to for experienced programmers seeking complete control, powerful AI tools, and advanced development workflows. Each platform offers a different balance between speed, simplicity, and technical depth. To summarize, use Lovable if you're looking for a code free experience focused on design and concept validation. Choose Bold if you want to build quickly, edit code when needed, and balance speed and flexibility. Opt for Cursor if you're a developer who needs full access, version control, and AI powered development tools. All three are advancing the way AI supports software creation, but the best tool for you depends on how hands on you want to be with your code. Thanks for watching. If this helped clarify your options, give this video a super thanks by tapping the heart icon and subscribe for more deep dives into AI development tools. I'll see you in the next video.